Hello, my dear students. I hope you all are doing well. Your studies are going smoothly. I know this lockdown have lost all rhythm of many of the students. So today I'm going to discuss that how you should deal with this issue because many students are facing this issue and many of students are not able to focus in their studies for NEET or AIMS preparation. So, my dear students, first of all, this is a big opportunity for all of us because, especially for the interns, because interns they don't have time to study more comparatively that those students who are taking a year gap for their studies. So, take it as an opportunity because I think that this years the interns are very lucky. Okay, because interns can utilize their time as the fullest and consider yourself you have got the best time for preparation and you don't have an excuse of not getting time from clinical work. Now there is plenty of time of preparation you have and you can get good out of it. Okay, so today we'll discuss that how in this lockdown you can focus or you can actually prepare well. Okay, see the exam dates are postponed and many are taking it as lightly because dates are not there, so they are taking it as like when the exam the date will come and then accordingly they will plan. But personally I think that you should not do like this. You should carry on your preparations and time is priceless. Once the lost you will never get back. Okay, so in earlier videos also I have told you that for inspiration you should think that you want a government seat. That's it. No other thoughts can come into your mind. If you want seat, then you have to get it. Okay, it's already been a month of COVID-19 and I think this much time was sufficient to get along and get used to of the environment. And now also if you are giving excuse of corona or COVID-19, then it's a big mistake. Okay, so don't waste time and just find a place to study where you can sit and just start studying, because now enough is enough. You can't waste more than which you have already wasted. Some students if you had, if not then it's good, and carry on your studies. First of all, in this period, no classes are there, so distractions are there at home. You have many of them have lost their rhythm of studying. Okay, so first of all, you should what you have to do first. You see that from where you are getting distracted. If you are at home, then kindly tell your parents or anyone at your home from where you are getting distracted. Tell them not to come in your room. Okay, and stay away of your phones. Okay, target target a plan and try to complete it. Then the second thing is loss of rhythm. If you have your rhythm was lost, then try to start again. And if you had made a plan and then if you're trying to complete it in like, if you decided that from morning 6 o'clock to evening you're studying, then try to complete in that schedule only daily. If you're sitting from 6 to 6 daily, then one within a week or 10 days you will again fall in your rhythm. And once you are in a rhythm, then everything will get easy for you. You will find it easy to complete your target. Now, the next thing is your time management. At home, it is difficult to, sometimes it gets difficult to study at one place. Okay, so once you have made a timetable of studying, you can do it. If you have not have any idea of time management and all, I have posted many videos of this. You can view and have an idea of how to study and time management. Now in this lockdown period, there is no classes, no teacher you have to guide. It's very difficult for students, those are finding it difficult. For them, trust me, the inspiration is within you. Okay, if you have decided that you want to study, then you will study. It is not that every student is distracted. Those who have thought of getting a seat, those who have visualized them already, they are studying. Okay, so stop giving excuses and simply just sit and study without giving excuses to you. Because in this period, once now you are thinking that you have time, there is no date, the date exam dates have come. Now you will think like that, but when once this period will get over, the exam date will come very soon, and then you will realize that you have not enough time to complete. So don't wait for the dates and everything, just utilize the time and study. Okay, prioritize yourself and make a plan and just start without losing more time. Because already those who have not studied since this corona started, so for them I am saying in this video, especially for them only, those who have lost their pace. Okay, and especially for the interns, I would like to say that please, 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 this year you're lucky, you have got this time to study. You don't have any extracurricular thing to do. You can easily, if you have decided that you want to appear for the exam, then this is the best time for them to study. Okay, and to focus. Mindset should be there. If you have decided, if your mindset is ready, then you can do. So please don't waste time and start studying. Now, the strategy in the lockdown period is that you don't have much thing to do. Only you just have to, you have time to, one thing only you have, that is to study. Okay, so easily you can complete a target of 10 hours easily and study. So divide your time period into two part. One keep for revision, and the second part is to read new things. Okay, new subject or new topic or whatever you want to like, or new questionnaire if you are doing. Okay, revision is the most important thing. Whatever you are studying, the next day you have to revise it. Okay, and whatever book you are following, stick to one book only. Don't read too many of the books. If you have done one book like Pulse or anything, then stick to it only and revise as many as time. Or any other difficulty if you are facing in this lockdown period, you can ask me any books or any suggestion you want. You can ask me, you can put in a comment section. I'll try to answer those questions. Okay, so don't waste time, utilize the time to the fullest and prepare well